2083, things will change a lot. I think that I will be retired, like many people do. After retiring, there are many things to do in the future. I think in 2083, there must be space traveling or at least something more special than now. In the future, my family and I would like to go on a road trip for a long time. I want to go somewhere mostly everywhere in Asia. Like the 80 Days of World Tour, I want to see Asia very slowly and very detailedly. Also, I'll leave many pictures of people, culture, foods, or places by riding a car. So it could be very expensive, but still, I think it's worth it before I die. Also, I want to play an instrument which I really like. In these times, I'll probably just sitting on the sofa and watching TV lonely. But playing instruments help you to make you very entertained, and you could also make other people's happy too. So I'm trying to thinking about playing a piano or guitar because it is cheap and very easy to learn. For a conclusion, I think that I would spend my time a little slowly and relaxed if I was in 70 in 2083. I think I would like to going on a long trip or learning things like instruments. I want to do many more things, but time is very limited because I'm 70 and I will die soon. Thank you for listening.